freedom calling loud. Through the fire we stand unbowed. Chains may try to hold us down, still we rise from every town. Truth is written in the sand, justice coming for the land. Roots shall rise your name through the storm and pain. Voices of the past remain, calling out in your name. Roots shall rise again, breaking every chain. From the dust we reclaim life, love, and our name. Hear the elders whispering wind, stories of where we begin. Africa in every vein, calling us through joy and pain. Babylon may try to blind, but the truth lives in the mind. Stand firm, don't run away. Light will always find. We shall rise again through the storm and pain. Voices of the past remain, calling out in your name. Roots shall rise again, breaking every chain. From the dust we reclaim life, love, and our name. See the children in the street dancing